You're watching this video right now because of a complex process involving over 200 million cells in your eyes. But here's the wild part, your brain is not just passively receiving images from your eyes, it's actively constructing the world you see. Think about it, the colors, the shapes, the textures, it's all created by your brain. The process of vision starts with light entering your eye through the cornea. This light is then focused by the lens onto the retina. But that's not all, the retina is made up of millions of photoreceptors called rods and cones. These cells are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, which allows us to see a wide range of colors. Research by Dr. David Hubel, a Nobel Prize winner, has shown that the brain's visual cortex plays a crucial role in processing visual information. In fact, studies have shown that the human eye can process 36,000 bits of information every hour. The key to understanding vision is to understand how these cells work together to create the images we see. It's a complex process, but it's what makes vision possible. With every blink, our eyes are recalibrating to ensure we see the world with clarity and precision. So, how do our eyes work? It starts with the cornea, the clear layer on the front of your eye. Light passes through the cornea and is focused by the lens onto the retina. The retina is like a camera sensor, it captures the light and sends signals to the brain. But what about color? That's where the cones come in. There are 3 types of cones, each sensitive to a different wavelength of light: red, green, and blue. This is why we can see a wide range of colors. Research by Dr. Jeremy Nathans has shown that these cones are responsible for our color vision. But it's not just about the eyes, the brain plays a big role in vision too. It takes the signals from the eyes and constructs the world we see. In fact, studies have shown that the brain processes visual information in as little as 13 milliseconds. It's like a puzzle, with the brain putting the pieces together to create the complete picture. You might be wondering, how does the brain do it? Essentially, it's like a computer program that takes the input from the eyes and creates the output, the world we see, a process that is still not fully understood, but scientists like Dr. Nathans are working to uncover its secrets. Now, let's talk about the cool science behind vision. Did you know that the human eye can detect over 10 million different colors? That's because the cones in the retina are sensitive to different wavelengths of light. But it's not just about the number of colors, it's also about the way we perceive them. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns and shapes, which helps us to understand the world around us. For example, when you see a red apple, your brain doesn't just see the color red, it also recognizes the shape and texture of the apple. Research by Dr. David Hubel, a Nobel Prize winner, has shown that the brain's visual cortex plays a key role in this process. The limitations of our vision are also fascinating, we can't see things like ultraviolet or infrared light. However, some animals can see these wavelengths, which gives them a unique perspective on the world. In fact, bees can see ultraviolet light, which helps them navigate to flowers. This unique ability is a result of their distinct visual system, which is adapted to their environment. The study of animal vision has led to a greater understanding of the complex mechanisms behind vision. Let's dive deeper into the science of vision. The retina is made up of 2 types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to low light levels and are responsible for our peripheral vision. Cones, on the other hand, are sensitive to color and are responsible for our central vision. But how do these cells work together to create the images we see? It's a complex process, but essentially, it's like a game of telephone. The photoreceptors in the retina send signals to the optic nerve, which then sends signals to the brain. The brain then interprets these signals and creates the image we see. But it's not just a one-way process, the brain also sends signals back to the eyes, which helps to refine the image. It's like a feedback loop, with the brain and eyes working together to create the world we see. You might be wondering, what happens when this process goes wrong? Can we fix it? The answer is yes, with the help of glasses, contacts, or surgery, we can correct many vision problems and improve our ability to see the world around us. So, how does this affect our daily lives? Our vision is essential for many everyday activities, like driving or reading. But it's not just about the practicalities, our vision also plays a big role in our emotions and experiences. Think about it, when you see a beautiful sunset, it's not just the colors and shapes that you're seeing, it's also the emotions and memories that come with it. Our vision is closely linked to our brain's reward system, which means that what we see can affect our mood and well-being. For example, studies have shown that people who live in areas with more natural light tend to be happier and healthier. According to a study by Dr. Alan Kritzler, approximately 80% of people's sensory experiences are mediated through vision. But what about people who are blind or have low vision? Can they still experience the world in the same way? The answer is yes. With the help of technology and assistive devices, people with visual impairments can still participate fully in life. Researchers like Dr. Daniel Kish have developed innovative methods, such as echolocation, to help individuals with visual impairments navigate their surroundings. This technology has greatly improved the quality of life for many individuals. Now, let's bust some common myths about vision. One myth is that if you cross your eyes, they'll get stuck that way. But that's not true. Our eyes are designed to move and can't get stuck in one position. Another myth is that carrots can improve your vision. While carrots do contain a nutrient called beta-carotene that's good for the eyes, eating carrots won't necessarily improve your vision. According to Dr. Catherine Rose, an optometrist, a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants is essential for eye health. So, what can you do to keep your eyes healthy? Get regular eye exams, wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun, and don't smoke. These simple steps can help to keep your eyes healthy. You might be wondering, what about eye exercises? Can they improve your vision? The answer is no. While eye exercises can help to relax your eyes and reduce eye strain, they won't improve your vision. In fact, a study by the National Eye Institute found that nearly 75% of adults experience eye strain due to prolonged screen time, highlighting the need for regular breaks and proper eye care. By following these tips, you can keep your eyes healthy for years to come. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you. Did you know that our brains can actually change the way we see the world? It's called neuroplasticity, and it means that our brains can rewire themselves in response to new experiences and learning. For example, studies have shown that people who are blind can actually develop a new sense of vision through the use of special devices that translate sound into images. It's like a whole new world opens up, and it's all because of the brain's ability to adapt and change. But what about people who are born with visual impairments? Can they still develop a sense of vision? The answer is yes. With the help of technology and therapy, people with visual impairments can still develop a sense of vision and participate fully in life. You might be wondering, what about the limits of neuroplasticity? Can our brains change anything? The answer is no. While our brains are incredibly adaptable, there are limits to what we can change. However, by understanding these limits, we can develop new treatments and therapies to help people with visual impairments. The takeaway from all this is that understanding vision requires a deep dive into how our eyes and brains collaborate. This complex process is what makes vision possible, and it's a remarkable feat. Dr. David Hubel, a Nobel laureate, spent years studying the neural basis of vision, shedding light on the intricate dance between eye and brain. By grasping how it works, we can appreciate the human body's incredible complexity and beauty. To improve your vision, take care of your eyes, get regular exams, and stay curious. Did you know that 80% of what we learn comes through our eyes? This highlights the significance of vision in our daily lives. By taking care of your eyes, you'll be able to see the world in all its beauty and complexity. Next time you see something stunning, remember the process behind it. The brain processes visual information in a mere 13 milliseconds, a testament to its incredible efficiency. This rapid processing enables us to navigate and interact with our environment seamlessly. So, appreciate the beauty of vision and the remarkable science that makes it possible. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy a lifetime of clear and vibrant vision, taking in the world's wonders with clarity and precision.